How to enable same-day options on Robinhood. In this quick video, I'll show you how to enable same-day options trading on Robinhood, also known as zero DTE options. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you're an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you're an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Make sure to log into your account. To trade same-day options, it's recommended, though not always required, to have Robinhood Gold. For better tools and real-time market data, it's $5 a month and helps with faster execution. Now, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner, and here click on this 3 line on the top left corner. After that, click on settings. Now you'll see investing option there. Click on it and then click on options trading and make sure options trading is enabled. If it's not, you may need to answer a few questions first. Now next step is to search for same day expiring options. Once enabled, go to stock like SPY, QQQ or any other that has daily option expiration. Tap trade and then trade options and choose today's date to see same date contracts. Keep in mind that same day options expire very quickly and carry high risks. Only trade them if you understand the risks, and that's how you can enable same day options on Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.